Shout out guys, we are in Maserati village. That is the symbol in front of the fabric of Maserati luxury car. Here Modena, Italy guys. Hello guys, here we are in Maserati Fabrica. You see? There is one car outside guys, so I have to focus it later. Maserati. Shout out to all my friends in YT, especially to all my 64 members. Thank you very much Puma33 for giving me 60 members. Maserati Wait. Yellow. I like it that there is a one car Maserati outside, color yellow. I like it. I have to take photo, take video later. You see? So, I said, shout out to all my members, 60 members. I have never been shout out. First time that I shout out. Better late than never, no? Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, Puma33. Please, guys, uh, support his channel by viewing his videos and put likes. No, put likes. Okay. I have. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. And God bless us all. Remain blessed.